Hello and welcome to how to silkscreen print a t-shirt. Today I'll be showing you a few simple ways how to print a t-shirt. I made a PowerPoint outline so hopefully you get the idea of the process, and we will show you exactly what you need to get started. The silkscreen process has been broken down into 7 simple steps. You will also need an inventory list of 9 items. These 9 items are a must-have to begin your silkscreen process. You will need a blank screen, photo emulsion, a lighting, dryer of some sort, transparency paper, hose or water source, squeegee, ink, and a blank t-shirt. These are the 9 must-have items to begin the process. So we move on to step 1. Step 1, you will get your artwork ready. I have my artwork on the left hand side. I have my transparency paper, and I will print. It's 8.5 by 11 inches paper. So my image was a little larger than usual, so I used 2 papers and I taped them together. So as you can see, the right hand side is the finished print of my artwork on the clear transparency paper. Step 2 will be the coating process. You will need your emulsion and your blank screen and a dark room or dim room. Here I will show you just the outline. In another video I will show you how to coat. You can see that there's a blank screen, then there's a coated screen on the right. That is the finished product for step 2. Step 3, you will take your coated screen, make sure that it's dry. You're still in the dim room or the dark room, and also now you will line up your artwork on your screen and tape it with clear Scotch tape. Okay, this is step 4. This is where your lighting comes in. You will put the lighting right under the screen on the side of the artwork, and you will expose your screen. I use a glass table. You don't have to use a glass table. You can expose directly on the screen. And this is step 4. Step 5. You will use a hose or your water source to rinse the screen. Once you're done exposing, you take the artwork off and you rinse the screen until you see your clear image on the screen. Step 6, you will need your blank t-shirt, your ink, and your squeegee. You will add ink to the screen right under the image, and you will make sure that it's at the length of the image. Then you will pull and drag and print. On the right hand side you can see the finished product, and this is step 6. Alright, step 7, final step. You have printed your image on your t-shirt, you have wet ink, you need your drying device. Hover your drying device over the wet ink to cure the ink, make sure it's dry and ready to wear. And this was how to silkscreen print a t-shirt. Comment below, ask questions, I'll be happy to respond. You can also follow me on Instagram, BulldogSkateTribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, DIY Silkscreen Printing. Thank you for watching.